In this next module, I'll show you how to make changes to your already published book on Amazon KDP. And this is really simple. If you have published a book and say there is something that you need to make changes to, you can just come to your dashboard. And first thing you need to know is that you can only make changes to your book when it has gone live. So for this one that is currently being published and this one that is on review, you cannot make any change. But for these ones that are now live, you can easily make changes. Now, there are certain things you can change and some that you cannot change. I'm going to show you how to do that. So to make change to your Kindle version, for instance, you just click on this ellipsis here, click on it like this, and then you can see you can edit the book details, edit the ebook content, the pricing, and so on. So mostly when you want to edit stuff in your book, perhaps is the title of the book or something else, you just click here and click on edit book details. So if the changes that you want to make are mainly on the title of the book, the description, categories, or keywords, then you use the ebook details page. If you want to make changes on matters related to the content, that is the manuscript or the cover, you can always come to this part where you have Kindle content and then you make the changes. Yeah. So in this case, you can, upload a new file for your manuscript, upload a new file for your cover, and so on. Then, if your change is mainly about the price of a book, so you want to put the price to something new, you can as well select that, the ebook pricing um, part where you now put in, the new price you hope that your book has. So this actually reflects also on the other aspects of your book. So this is mainly for editing Kindle. For this Kindle format, you notice that we were able to edit virtually everything that has to do with the book. But this is not the case with hardcover. There are many things that you cannot edit as far as the hardcover version of your book or paperback version of your book is concerned. For instance, you can see that the book title here has been grayed out. You won't be able to make changes to the book title or the subtitle and or the author's name and a number of things. You can only change the description if you want, change the categories and also the keywords if you want. But you cannot change anything that has to do with um that information that I've shown you. I am not saving the changes because I don't actually want, this is just for lessons purposes. So also you cannot change the print type, you cannot change the trim size, you can change the bleed settings and the paper cover finish. Then you can also upload new covers, new manuscripts, and so on. Then on the pricing page, you can also change the price to whatever you so desire. Like you can see right now, you can also change the price to whatever you so desire. However, you cannot change the extended distribution once you have already uploaded the book and either selected it or not. So those are the areas you can edit, and this is really, really simple and straightforward.